Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of April 3rd, 2026. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product adder.
I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And this is a series where we go through the newsletter that gets released every Friday, go out into the studio and show you guys that fabric in person. So, without further ado, let's get started.
So firstly, we want to highlight a group called Flora Form from Windham. With this, we have the canvas tote bag panels, the 108-inch wide backings, the Alina quilt kits, and the assorted yardage that goes along with this. This is a very modern-looking group. Patterns such as soft botanicals, bold shapes, and a color palette, a rich color palette of orange, sage, charcoal, blue, neutrals, with most pieces containing gold metallic accents. So if you're interested in checking out this new and cool looking collection, you can create striking masterpieces with Flora Form.
Next, we have a fun collection called 2x2 from Northcott. This is a collection retelling the story of Noah's Ark. This is featuring book panels, 2x2 pillowcase kits, the chevron shuffle quilt kits, as well as the assorted yardage. We've got patterns of Noah's Ark and animals, two of each of course. We've got rainbows, dots, and wood grain in colors of tan, gray, white, blue, and of course colors of the rainbow. So make sure to make a boat-y full quilt with 2x2.
Next up, we're gonna highlight Lemon Zest from Clothworks. For this, we have the fat quarter bundles, the table runner kits, and the assorted yardage that goes with it. So you can spec patterns such as lemons, signs, dots, and florals, all in color schemes of yellow, green, black, and white. We also wanted to show off the table runner, so we're gonna show this off really quick too. This is the table runner kit. As you can see, a lot of lemons on it, black and white with a lot of yellows, some greens in there. Very cool looking table runner in my opinion. I don't know if you can see the stitching, but the stitching itself has very small lemon slices themselves.
I think
is
Lori
really cool.
probably would have done this.
Most likely, yeah.
Lori from Honeycomb Quilting. Yeah, very beautiful. I'm loving looking at this.
We have two different backing sets. This is the backing that we chose for it.
And we have another one.
So yeah, we have two different options for the backing. This, like I said, this is the one we selected. So okay, yeah, this is the table runner. So if you're a fan of lemons or this piqued your interest, you can juice up your stash with Lemon Zest.
We've got a collection from Riley Blake. This is called Blue Blooms and Threads. This is a blue colored collection featuring Garment District table runner kits as well as the assorted yardage. We've got patterns of florals, threads, stitches, checks, and scissors in colors of blue, navy, denim, and white. So don't be blue, let your creativity blossom with blue blooms and threads.
Next I want to highlight something we're excited about, things we've been working on. This is the A Little Taste of Rainbow Kona Cotton Scrap Bundles. These are just a wide variety of mixtures of different Kona colors, adding up to about 8 yards in total of fabrics. Each bundle is 3 pounds of Robert Kaufman Kona cottons, all of the pieces being approximately 3 to 10 inches in size. Every single bundle is different. We went around and picked just a bunch of different colors for different bundles. We also have a social media series out there for making these, so if you want to go check those out, that is the Stacking Kona Cotton Solids into Scrap Bundles until we run out of fabric. So those are some cool looking videos of us just going out there and stacking all those together. There are currently 3 episodes up.
Are we making more? Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah, we're making more. We're making more, all right.
So we currently have 3 of those up with many more to come.
We aren't even close.
Still have a lot of buckets out there. So if you're interested in checking these out or might want to get one of these, treat yourself to the A Little Taste of Rainbow Kona Cotton Scrap Bundles.
Next we have the Shannon Cuddle C390 from, of course, Shannon. These are ultra soft and extra wide. They are 90-inch wide premium solid cuddle fabric. They are perfect for backings, blankets, and other cozy sewing projects. They come in colors of blue, gray, cream, white, and black. We've got 8 different colors, so make sure to snuggle up to the Shannon Cuddle C390s.
I'll get a drink too. Were you not expecting that? Why would I be expecting you to gargle your coffee?
I don't know.
Please tell me where I would expect that in the slightest. Next up, we're going into our comment of the week. This is where we take a comment from last week's episode and put it on this week's episode. That being said, we have a couple comments we want to read. Firstly, from Miriam Patton, who says, "The puns are amazing. Thanks so much." Firstly, thank you so much for coming and checking out our videos. We appreciate your support and that you leave comments with us. Justin here is our main pun writer, so I want to thank you very much for this comment, Miriam. Then next up, we want to highlight Barbara, who says, "Happy Friday. Nice job with the script for the tie-in with the fabric designs. I always enjoy hearing how you do it. Have a great weekend." Once again, also, thank you so much for commenting. We love reading these comments from you. We hope you had a great weekend as well, and we hope this coming weekend's great for you. Once again, Justin here's our scriptwriter, so we really appreciate him putting all the work in and making these videos as good as they are.
Next is from Kim Seymour 9451, who says, "Good morning, guys. I have to say that your Kona Cotton Solid scrap bundles are just wonderful. I purchased 2 bundles and had a great time sorting them by color and size. I must say that I was impressed with what you call scraps. I wouldn't call them scraps. The sizes are great and plenty. I am thinking about buying more. By the way, I am really digging Justin's Snoopy hat. I am a big fan of the dog. Have a good week." Yeah, I'm wearing it. I actually, just so you know, Kim, I put this on just for your comment. I wasn't planning on wearing the hat until I saw the comment. I was like, well, it was literally in my car. I was like, I gotta go get it. But anyways, thank you so much, Kim, for purchasing those rainbow bundles. You know, we really appreciate you buying more, and we've got more out there. We're gonna have a lot more, so make sure you're keeping track of what we got. And I totally agree with you. The scrap sizes are pretty crazy, to be honest. I'm not a quilter, but for some reason, I feel like I gotta grab one of those just because it's like, it's just such a good deal. It's like $20 off from what the original price is. Comes with lots of fabric, and you know, we're really glad you like it.
And that's gonna do it this week for this episode of Friday Fabric Finds. We wanna thank you all so much for coming and checking it out. If you enjoyed it, you can hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. As you just heard with comment of the week, if you drop your comments down below, there's a good chance you'll be featured in next week's video. So make sure to drop those comments down. We love to read those and get back with y'all. All of our socials are also gonna be linked down in the description below, so make sure to check us out on all of our socials. But I think that's gonna do it this week. Thank you all so much for watching.
Peace.